Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 6 of account part 2, and so far we have completed cash flow from operating activities, and we have also done sums regarding that. Today we will talk about the cash flow from the another activity, which is cash flow from investing activity. So today's topic is cash flow from investing activity. Cash flow from investing activities. Transactions of investing activities means changes in details of assets, but excluding current assets. Changes in details of asset side, excluding current asset of balance sheet, and changes in assets related items. A detailed explanation in this regard is as follow. Transactions of investing activity, changes in asset of balance sheet excluding current assets. What it could be? Purchase or sale of non-current assets, that is land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, patents, trademark, equipments, etc. What else? Purchase and sale of non-current investment, loan lended if any, and receipt of lended loan, that is what recovery of lended loan. What else? Details of profit and loss statement are to be cancelled from the profit and loss statement and to be shown as investing activities are as follow. Interest received on investment, dividend received on investment, rent received on asset which are given higher. These are revenue incomes, but they emerge due to investment in asset, thus are disclosed in investing activities. While doing that cash flow from operating activity, we have seen we were deducting non-operating incomes. So out of such non-operating incomes, almost all such non-operating incomes are because of investing activities, so they are excluded from there, and here they are considered when we are finding cash flow from investing activity. In questions many times purchase price of asset is not provided, or sometimes price of sold asset is not provided, amount of depreciation is not provided, profit of sold asset is not provided, loss of sold asset is not provided. All these details are essential for cash flow statement. These details are found by preparing respective asset account. So any of this amount is not given, not provided, we will be finding that by preparing that particular asset account. And we will come to know about this, how to prepare it, when we will do the practical sums. We have already seen how to represent this information in cash flow statement, means how to prepare cash flow from investing activity. Once again we will have a look of cash flow from investing activity. This is the format how we prepare cash flow from investing activities. Here in that, sale of asset, whether it is tangible or intangible, is taken, sale of non-current investment is taken, and interest and dividend received is taken, rent received is taken, and from that purchase of asset tangible or intangible deducted, purchase of non-current investment is deducted, and whatever is the result shows the net cash flow from investing activities. So this is how cash flow from investing activity calculated. In next lectures we will be doing sums about this. Thank you.